Doho ma Milimani oweyo thuolo jaked ni ratich oganda Boniface Mwangi kod joma moko 4 gi rambun mar Sh20,000. Doho no nokwedo medo dinonegi kuom ndalo 21 kaka ni dwaro kod obila matimo nonro. Doho yango ni buchegi ibiro winji tarik 16 mar dwe manyien. Ne omagi odiochieng' manyoro e kinde ng'anyo mamuol ka gitemo rapar kata ka gitimo rapar joma ne ochiel gi magina tarik 25 dwe mokalo. Min achiel kuom jong'anyo mane ochiel gi magina e kindeno nowe thuolo ma ok omakne bura moro amora.
Application that we are making today, which was very frivolous, to apply for 21 days to investigate a claim for protesting peacefully in the city. These are just methods and gimmicks of intimidations, and our clients, we have advised them accordingly.
They gave us, they presented a miscellaneous application before the court, and we just take cognizance of the fact that in as much as not all our prayers were granted, we take cognizance of the fact that our clients are now free.
And if there's ever a time that we've needed to be together, it is now. Do not give up. These 5 are out for now. There are 66 people missing. Those people need to get back to their families. So let's keep this going. Let's keep charging. Let's keep demanding for what is rightfully ours.